Okay. So what I have mentioned in the notes, in this process, the material flows through cable, wire, pipe, etc. In a real time, many of industries having certain connectivity where they are supplying certain chemicals, certain liquids, some gas products, etc. Whenever material required, withdraw it and make vendor settlement according to material consumption. Remember this point, in this process, no purchase requisition, no purchase order, and no goods received. This you have to fix in mind because in the interview they will literally confuse you. Can you tell me after goods received what you do in the pipeline procurement? There is no manual, no invoice. Huh? Under settlement. This is similar to your consignment only. Okay. Very, very, very similar to consignment. The concept is 100% same. But here the material flowing through the pipe, cable, wire, something like that. The one of the best example for this pipeline procurement, uh, petrol, you went little far. I'll give example very, very, very close, which you people are very well aware. Your, your water bill, every month you are paying a bill. Okay. The pipeline already made. Correct. So what they are doing, they are issuing the bill based on what? Based on water consumption every month. Your electricity, every month you are getting a bill based on power consumption. The what do you call the street pole, everything is done long back, but you are paying every month based on consumption. Very similarly, we have many industries we have. Like if you know good with any a large industrial area, anybody knows like Pinya, Komasandra industrial area, Jigni industrial area, huh? There is KIDB, Mysore Road. It's a very large. Okay, so we have so many industries where they got underground pipeline connectivity. They are supplying certain chemicals, certain liquids, some gas products. Okay, and it will be paid only based on consumption. Okay, so the petrochemical companies, hmm, petrol also applicable, but they have main unit somewhere that has connectivity. But when you look into petrol station, it is not on pipeline. The tanker come and dump it. Correct. That is petrol station, not the pipeline connectivity. Petrol tanker come and dump it. Okay. Like our water, what you are using, what is that? Kaveri water. Okay. So that has a pipeline connectivity. Okay. You are, I think earlier we are using this, what do you call, internet. Broadband. Broadband. Earlier broadband, not this broadband. Because now you have the fixed price, like 799 per month. Earlier not like that. It is based on usage. How much MB you use, like BSNL, MTNL, earlier one. So that is based on consumption only. There is no fixed pack. Okay, 200 MB per month, not like that. Okay. So all comes under pipeline procurement, and we this is a dedicated industry. Okay. So you never know, like tomorrow when you come across with any interview or this one, like you don't know what is their project, what is their requirement. But you should be aware the end to end of every procurement area. Like as I said, standard procurement, service procurement, consignment procurement, now the pipeline procurement. Okay. And the process flow, we have to create a material with material type pipe or pipeline. That is a material type like ROH, FERT, but you are using raw material, no? ROH. Similarly, pipe or pipeline. That is a material type. And then create a new vendor master again. and then maintain pipeline info record along with the tax code. In the consignment also we have the same, right? And goods issue from pipeline to cost center, the T code MIGO movement type 201P. Okay, and then make a vendor settlement. The execution looks simple. And here also, what you are doing, you are only making a goods issue, just like your water bill or electricity bill. They are issuing the bill only. You got it, right? The connectivity is there. Are you guys aware about this? We call it as glycerin or something. We call grease, no? For lorry and all, they will apply. That is the pipeline connectivity. At some new plant and all, it comes in bucket. You know that? Grease. Okay, so some comes in bucket. But when you look into the large the automobile manufacturing, they got a pipeline. Okay. So they use in liter or something, but it has a pipeline, it has a reader. Huh? Reason I'll tell you, like it is like I saw somewhere. It has a reader. Just like water read, you got reader, no? Huh? Reader. How they will charge you? They have some reader, no? For water. Yeah. Similarly, this glycerin what they are supplying, it has a big reader. So it will tell you.
Meter, like meter.
Like meter, but it's a large. I went somewhere, I saw the, I was not aware. Like I asked them like what is this exactly? So they said it's a glycerin supply reader. So it can tell you exactly month what is the usage. Okay. And they can pay it later.
Maybe in lorry service center it may be.
Maybe very large.
Very
I think
large.
most into automobile manufacturing, large scale. Like Ashok Leyland. Huh? I think Benz, Bharat Benz. You know that? Bharat Benz. It's not Benz actually. Bharat Benz. Like Maruti Suzuki. So they have merged with them. Okay, so here let's execute this. And selecting view what we have now. I'm selecting only 3. Okay, just keep an eye. 66 PAMMUJ 011. Good. So logistic, not logistic, directly executing material master MM01. Enter. So here I'm taking NKK, something like that. Okay. I can take what is it?
Reliance India.
RIL. What is RIL?
Reliance India.
Yes. Reliance India Industries. Industrial India Limited, something is that. So I'm taking gas. They supply the gas, right? Okay, so I'm taking RIL gas. You can use petrol, oil, okay, chemical, anything related. So you can use what do you call for that? Kerosene. Kerosene is also valid. Okay. So you have so many products you can use like that. So here I'm taking chemical, and here pipeline material. Clear? So just keep an eye on the screen. Enter. Basic data 1, purchasing, accounting 1. 3 views. I don't require MRP. Enter. So select. I have to view Select the organizational data. It has not picked up. Let me do again. Enter basic data 1, purchasing MRP 1, sorry, not accounting 1. And then let me go this. Plant is required. Enter. So here RIL gas pipeline material. Okay. So how do I measure this in kg or a liter? The gas kind of a product, I'll tell you, it has two different. Like when you use household, it is in kg. Gas cylinder, it is in kg. But if you go to gas station, the auto car, we fill the gas, no? That is in liter. Correct. Gas station is in liter. So in the house, what you are getting, that is in kg. Okay, so generally we'll take in liter. And here gas, you have the gas material group, controller, gas here. Okay. Gross weight, net weight, absolutely not valid enough. You know why? It is flowing through the pipe. So where you are storing, you are not storing that. So here I'm just giving, otherwise you can leave it, no problem. Is it mandatory or not mandatory? If it is not, then you don't have to give. But ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಮೆನಿ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಬೈ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಡೇಟರಿ ಬಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ yes there is something called all material group
gas is now chemical group ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ದಾವ ಸರ್ ROH ಮೆಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಮೊದಲು ROH ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ
ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ದಟ್ somebody has created like
ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ ಯಾರು ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅದನ್ನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು
ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ that is common area that is absolutely common for everything. So now I'm not giving gross weight net weight. Enter. Purchasing group 001. Enter. So valuation class, remember 3000. So 3000 is not there. Chetra, tell me how to solve that. Huh? SPR then okay, then tell me quickly. Okay, then tell me quickly. Okay, then okay, then this. So position here ROH, sorry, not ROH, pipeline, right? So it is showing correct only. Okay, come back, check this. What is the valuation class? 3000. So here it is 3000, no? So this is wrong. This is supposed to be 0001 reference for raw material. Click on save. Okay. Close this. Now check it out. Showing now. Okay. Select that. My material price is 100. Enter. Save. So this is my material. Let me save it. Copy. This is my pipeline material. Okay, what is next? Vendor creation. M XK01. So followed by 1000. Purchase automation 1000. Accounts group 001. So here 10KK India Limited something I'll take. Okay, so that we can remember. So vibrating again.
This one.
So here Bangalore. Be the gift. So NKK. Give some address. Second main road. TM. So Bangalore postal code. City Bangalore. Country IN for India. Region 10 for Karnataka. Enter. Vendors found is the same address. So input IN for India. Bank key. ICICI, SBI. So take some random account number. KK India Limited. So contact person. Purchasing department. Reconciliation account 160000. Tax management group payable. Payment terms 001. Input. Order currency 0. 001. Cash on delivery. Internal. There. So here we got the vendor number. Copy this. Put it over here. Vendor master. But vendor master name is NKK India Limited. Okay, what is next?
Info.
Go for info record. So the decode is ME11. So that's my vendor, that is my material, followed by plant 1000. Select pipeline. Don't forget. It is not showing full screen, no? Not showing. Okay, so don't forget pipeline. Okay, enter. So give as usual, general 45 days, 60 days, and the person, I'm the one, enter. The planned delivery not picked up, you know why? Planned delivery is empty. Generally, planned delivery it will show, right? Not selected MRP 1 and 2. We have not selected MRP, correct? Because of that. So here, taking in bulk, actually it is based on usage. What is flowing through pipe or something. So standard quantity, minimum quantity, maximum quantity, not really valid. But I can guess. So what are the, like, for example, in your house, you are using washing machine, you are using fridge, you are using AC air cooler, you are using this. So I can figure it out. Monthly maybe you are paying 1000. Okay. So roughly figure I can make out, right? Like that. Not you can fix it. Okay. Consider I can figure it out 1000 rupees per month, but next month you traveled up somewhere. What is the bill? The minimum whatever. 150, 300 something. So you can tell like that. This is same exactly. So there is no fixed, but you can maintain something, you know. So here I'm taking say 2000 and 1000, 2500. General, okay. Then what is the price? 100. And then input terms, cash on delivery, and the tax code. Don't forget the tax code. Hmm? Tax code, see, tax code, what we are selecting, no, it is something which is standard at this transaction. In a real time, you have certain GST value. Depends on what product you are dealing with. It is not same. In India also, for mobile it is different tax. For electronics, for this one it is different tax. For cable, cable related, I think it is 28 something. We have absolutely different. So it is predefined. What happens when you implement SAP? GST is not part of SAP. Okay. GST get interface with SAP and it is predefined. Once you implement SAP, the day one it will be done. GST. So according to their product line. Not like in between I am doing something. Clear? So in these transactions we have the selected output, that is V1, 15% domestic input tax. Okay. And then press enter, 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 save data for input code, yes. You see in between there is a P for pipeline. Make a note of that. Okay. What is next? You have the issue, right? So goods issue from pipeline to cost center. T code is MIGO, movement type 201P. So everyone keep an eye on the screen. Going for MIGO. First click here. Select goods issue. This. Okay. Once you select, the screen data will also be changed. Okay, what you are saying, the purchase order there or not one, no, all will go. Now you see what it will show. Change, right? Correct. So this should be goods issue. This should be R10 other. Like there is one more is the order. There is an order and there is other. OTHER. You have to select other. Here it is already showing, right? Still, I want you to take from the drop down again. Don't continue further. There is one pop-up which is there. It has to be come. Okay. Sometime after all the input, sometime here it gets missed out. So that is the reason again you have to select from this drop down to not one P. Check it out. What does it mean? 201P. Consumption for cost center from pipeline. Okay. Select this. Now if I press enter, no. So this pop-up will come. Clear. So it should come actually. Change to default value. Then close this. Now what to do? Click here below material. Click below material. So what is your material? This is the material. Give here and click on quantity. So minimum I given 1000. So let me take some 500. Okay. 500 used. 500 liter. And click on where. Give plant 1000. Storage 001. Press enter. Okay. Come down. Item okay is there. Click on check whether document is correct or not. Document is okay. Click on save. So what you posted basically an issue. Issue is if you wanted to understand what is goods issue, just like your water bill, what they are giving you, they are issuing the bill. They are issuing for water consumption. They are issuing for power consumption. Something like that. In the apartment, they will also issue that So UPS generator, what they run no monthly, they make it total and they will give you these many hours it has run. Huh? That is also this one. But they are issuing because generator everything is fixed no in the apartment. Correct. So automatically it will start. Huh? Diesel, yeah, diesel, correct. Diesel also they do. They will include, I think. So here goods issue, moment type, 201P. Okay. Now what we have? Vendor settlement. Okay. So go for vendor settlement, MRKO. MRKO enter. So here your this you executed already, correct? Exactly same. What you are selecting, removing pipeline. Now remove consignment, keep pipeline. Okay. So this is my vendor. Okay. Fine now. Remove consignment. Keep it display mode. Execute. So here is your document. Okay. Material quantity withdrawal 500 liters. Status not settled. Come back. And now go for settle. Execute. So here is the document created. Execute here. So the actual value 40,000. Okay. And 7,500 which is the tax amount. And total becomes 57,500. That is the value including tax. Okay. And make a note of document number. Vendor settlement document. Vendor settlement document. Clear? So let me, what I have executed here, I am executed from MM01. Here I have executed from XK01. Here executed from M11. This Migo executed from MRQ. Okay. So this is also a process flow along with the T code, transaction code. Okay, so material we created, vendor we created, and info record with the tax code. So make the habit of this. When you say info record along with the tax code, not just info record. Okay, especially in the special procurement only. Okay, and goods issue with the moment type 201P, and then vendor settlement. Clear? So what do you do? So maintain 14 pipeline procurement. The pipeline procurement document. You have to maintain 14 minimum. Okay. I think yesterday you had 12. Okay. So the next we have a little bigger. Okay. Railway repeater, clear?
ಸರ್
ಸರ್ ಸರ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ನಾವು ಪೈಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಅದೇನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ನಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ 3000.
ಅದೇ 3000 ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಅದು ರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೈಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಏನ್ ಬರಲ್ವಾ ಅದು?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಪೈಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ROH ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್
Okay.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಪೈಪ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ಅದೇ ಸರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಷನ್
ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್
ರಾ
ಅಂತ
ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸಿತ್ತು ಸರ್.
Reference for raw material ಇದು. That is the reference for raw material for pipeline and ROH both are same. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ 3000 ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ
ಹಾ, sir.
ತೆಗೆದು ನಾನು 0001 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. That is reference for raw material.
ಓಕೆ
Okay.
ಓಕೆ
So everyone maintain this and update me in the group.
ಓಕೆ
Okay guys,
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
carry on. Bye-bye.
maximum 23